Luna Classic is testing a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on Luna Classic yesterday, we were testing a very crucial resistance level here around the 17 mark. I mentioned that this level is going to be very crucial because of the fact that it acted as a decent support level as well as a very strong resistance point. And you can see Luna Classic rejected that level completely, and we saw multiple bearish engulfing candles form. As of right now, we are using the exponential moving averages as resistance. So this is leaning towards another retest, of course, around this 14 mark, which I've mentioned in previous videos. This level of support has only been tested once, so what I'm looking for is a possible second and third test, and then a confirmation to try to take these highs here around the 18 mark. Of course, this 18 mark has acted as a very crucial resistance point overall for Luna Classic. You can see we tried to break above this level multiple times, failed, and continued pushing on below. Right now, we are in this consolidation stage, which is also a no trade zone, but I did want to point out two things. Number one, of course, from a bullish case scenario, if we did have a liquidity wick possibly retesting this 18 mark, kind of like what we saw over here, that would be a awesome opportunity to be looking for those shorting opportunities. But of course, if we did find that level as support, that would become invalidated. In terms of the support level being tested at 14, I do think that we would be looking for a break of this formation because of the fact that this daily support isn't really that strong compared to our major support here at 86. I've mentioned this to you guys in previous videos that this 86 level, of course, is a very strong support for Luna Classic overall. And right now, we haven't really tested that level since this whole move to the upside. You can see that we did retest that level as resistance twice before that confirmation of the breakout. But in terms of a support, we've only tested it a few times back here and have yet to retest it again for that confirmation. What I would like to see is to see that confirmation and then a proper retest for me to start looking for an overall long-term play on Luna Classic here, because of course, zooming out on the chart, I've mentioned this to you guys many times before, that Luna Classic is in this sort of formation where we have these massive moves and then a consolidation, a continuation, and then another consolidation, right? If I were to zoom out on the chart here, you can see that that previous high over here is very minuscule to the current high, right? But again, we could definitely be looking at it from this perspective again, where we have the same sort of formation and another wick to the upside. That's pretty much what Luna Classic's formation is playing out right now. This is why I'm looking for the proper move set to actually be looking for these opportunities. My overall level, of course, is going to be that 86 because it does act as a very strong support, and that level is going to be very crucial for me to actually start looking for those entries. Over on the hourly time frames, I mentioned yesterday that we are in a BART formation, and you can see that this BART formation played out almost perfectly. We had a very strong bearish engulfing candle actually break below these exponential moving averages, but the BART formation is not yet complete. Ideally, what we're looking for is a possible retest to around the 14 mark again. You can see right now we did find some midterm support here on the hourly, so we still have to wait for a proper confirmation, right? As long as we don't break above these exponential moving averages, the more time a support level is tested, the higher chances of it actually breaking. And in my opinion, we are also starting to see an M formation as well on the hourly, so keep a very close eye over here. If we do get a break of that formation, we can start looking for those shorting entries, possibly back down to our major support here at 14, and then the continuation. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.